Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani. Let's start with making the recipe for stuffed idlis. So first I'm going to start with roasting some semolina. I have 2 cups of semolina here. I'm going to put it in this pan and let's roast it for around 5 minutes. Keep stirring on it continuously. Once the pan is hot, reduce the flame to low, otherwise the semolina is going to catch color very quickly. So on low heat, keep stirring it and roast it for around 5 minutes. The semolina is nicely roasted. Let's get it off the flame. Let this cool down for a few minutes. For the stuffing, I'm going to heat 1 teaspoon of oil. Into this, I'm going to add half a cup finely chopped capsicum, half a cup finely chopped cabbage, half a cup boiled green peas, and half a cup of boiled yellow corn. Just saute it for a minute. I'm going to season this with half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Don't add the salt right now. We're going to turn off the flame and let this cool down. And then we're going to season it with salt because I don't want the vegetables to ooze out all the water. So let's just mix everything properly and keep it to cool. The semolina has cooled down a bit and now we're going to mix all the other ingredients. Into this, I'm going to add 1 cup of curd, salt to taste, juice of half a lime. Let's give this a mix and simultaneously we'll also add the water. The consistency of this batter has to be same as the idli batter. This is the consistency of the batter that I need. Now you can let it rest for 20 minutes, but if you let it rest, you might need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water afterwards because the semolina tends to absorb a lot of water. But if you don't want to do so, you can always make it instantly. The stuffing is also cooled down and into this now I'm going to add some salt. I've also kept some water to boil in the cooker. You can even use an idli steamer if you have that. Once the water starts steaming, that's the time you add 1 teaspoon of ENO Fruit Salt. You can see the batter is become nice and airy. I have the idli molds here that I've greased already. Let's take a tablespoon of the batter and layer it into this mold. You need to be a little quick while doing this. Let's place a teaspoon of the filling in the center. And let's cover it with the batter again. In the same way, let's quickly fill the other molds as well. Let's stack them up. And now this goes in the cooker to steam for around 12 to 13 minutes on high flame. If you don't have an idli steamer like me, make sure you don't put the vent valve on the pressure cooker because we need the steam to go out. Let's check on this. These are done. Let's get them out. Just let them cool down for a minute or 2 before we scoop them out from the molds. They're beautifully puffed up. Let's scoop them out. The total amount of this batter makes around 16 idlis. You can have this for breakfast, take it for lunch, pack it up for your child's snack. Do try this at home and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.